Hi, this is Susanna Anderson with the Are They All Yours blog at StephenAndersonFamily.com. I'm super excited to share with you today my new cookbook, Busy Family Menu Planning. And what is so unique about this cookbook is that not only does it have the recipes, but it has weekly menus and the shopping lists to go with them. Each week, the menu consists of 5 breakfasts, 5 dinners, and 1 dessert. And then all the ingredients that are needed to make those recipes are listed in the shopping list. And it has that for each week for 10 consecutive weeks, at which point you can then start back over. And what's unique about it is that every single recipe has the picture with it to give you an idea of what the finished product is supposed to look like. And you can see here, it's a good mix of recipes. It's mainstream. Everybody in your family will like these recipes. There's nothing weird or exotic. It's not too sophisticated. There's a wide range of food there, but there's fun foods like corn dogs, there's pizza, and interspersed with meat and potatoes meals. But everything in this book will be liked by all palates. There's ribs, there's soup. You don't have to worry about there being meals on here that nobody in your family will like or that only a few people in your family will like. If you follow the recipe as written, I guarantee you that everybody in your family will like the food. So in addition to the 10 weeks of menus, there's also a section in the back called Basics and Extras, where I just give the recipes for staples that you can buy ready, or you can make your own just to save money and make it taste the way you want it to taste. And those are all listed in the back here by category. Just simple sides like cilantro lime rice, pico de gallo, pie crust, tortillas, broth, gravy, different sauces, spices and seasonings, things that I use every day in these recipes. So if you pre-order the book now, it is guaranteed to arrive by Christmas if you are within the US. And also don't forget, we have the special bonus that if you do pre-order, you get a PDF file of a printable shopping list for all 10 weeks. So make sure to get your copy while supplies last at framingtheworld.com. Thank you and God bless.